Hello! Today we will talk about professional injector cleaner CMA25AB. I will guide you through the whole process about installing, filling, testing and cleaning injectors. You will see how easy it is with professional equipment like ours. And don't forget, this video manual is designed only for people who read, understand and follow instruction manual, and of course using all safety gear. Of course, we have to use gloves to protect our hands. You have to use safety equipment such as gloves and glasses. Gloves will protect your hands, glasses will protect your eyes. When you will get the machine, you will get a lot of different adapters, mechanical and electrical, that is comes inside this machine. But to keep everything in order and organized, you can put them into a special design place. Everything can be put inside. Every adapter that you have, you can store in special design place inside to keep everything organized. You can attach special adapter and keep your wires organized. This machine have very easy access to the rear door. From the new, the hose that connected fuel pump and the ramp is hidden inside. You have to bring it out. We can clamp the hose to the special connectors to keep everything organized. This machine consists of two units, main unit for testing and ultrasonic bath. In both units, you have to use only specialized liquids. Special testing liquid for the main unit and ultrasonic cleaner for the ultrasonic bath. You can see examples of the liquids here. To fill in the liquid in the machine, you have to use the special filling hole. The funnel is coming inside with the machine. Testing liquid level should be between minimum and maximum. This machine can work with usual EFI and also GDI and piezo injectors. For this, we bring 4 GDI injectors. We have 4 injectors, but 6 outlets from the fuel ramp. So, we have to replace 2 adapters by plugs. Plugs is coming inside with the machine. We have fuel ramp with 6 outlets, but only 4 injectors. We have to close 2 outlets with the plugs. Plugs coming in a set with the machine. We can unscrew this by hand. We are ready to install injectors in the fuel ramp. Before installing, we have to inspect injectors for damages, especially rubber O-rings. Our injectors are installed. Now we have to connect them to the wire. Every connector have different color. So we will connect connectors with matching colors to needed injectors. White, number 2. Red, number 3. Yellow, number 4. Please make sure that you are connecting injector to a terminal with the correct position. And 5, blue one. Everything is connected and ready to be tested. First, turn on the machine. One more very important thing that this machine can do with injectors. This machine can measure a resistance of the coils. For this, you have to take special wire that comes inside with the machine. We connect this wire to a special terminal on the side of the machine. This adapter electrical cable have two sets of wires, black and red. We have to use or black one or red one. Black one have larger connectors. Red one have smaller connectors. So you can use them accordingly to the injectors you have. We are choosing one injector that we have, disconnecting the cable and connecting our wire. Now we have to connect our cable to the machine and to the injector. We have special terminal. It calls resistance test. We open and we connect our cable to the terminal. Then we are choosing what pair of cables to use. In our case, we use black one, and we connect black one to our injector. To measure a resistance of the coil, we have to choose a resistance measuring mode. We can see here it is under mode number 1, the same as ultrasonic cleaning, but we will choose resistance test. So we have mode number 1, and previously we choose GDI because we have GDI injectors. We have to switch to the resistance and we can run. Resistance is 1.2 ohms. This machine can measure even injector with extremely low resistance, such as 1 ohm or around. And we have to measure resistance of our all 4 injectors. So we disconnect the signal cables and connect one by one. Again, the same. 1.2. It is less than 10%. This is a good result because if some injector is giving you a result that is varies very much to other injectors, it means it will give you incorrect fuel to your car. Our injectors are in good condition. Secondly, after all injectors are installed, we have to perform different tests. First test we are performing is leakage test. It is number 3. So we are choosing number 3. It is 60 seconds of time. And we're starting our test. As you see, pressure is going up, and we can reduce pressure or decrease pressure. As you can see, pressure is going up, and we can increase pressure or decrease by buttons, plus or minus. You see, pressure is decreasing, and we can increase pressure. Injectors are installed. Pulses is not coming to the injectors, but the high pressure in the fuel ramp. If injectors are not hermetical, we will see a drop of fuel on the incorrect working injector. If you see any single drop of fuel on any of injectors, it means this injector is not working correctly and have to be cleaned. Now we have to switch on any working mode. For example, mode number 2. Mode number 2 allows us to select any different options for any injector, such as RPM, impulse time, and different. So we are switching mode number 2, as written here. And seated 1 is RPM. We can increase RPM or decrease. Also, impulses, time, and different. We can run the test. And we can adjust these options on the go. For example, we can increase RPM. We can switch to impulses and can decrease them or increase. As you can see, we have two good injectors and two bad injectors. We have two good injectors that are spraying the fuel and two bad injectors. This is not spraying completely, this is half spraying, half not. After each procedure, don't forget to push the drain button. The liquid will be drained. It is the time to clean our injectors in ultrasonic bus. For this, you have to connect the bus to the machine. We are taking power cord, connecting to the ultrasonic bus, and then we are connecting our fork to our machine. Don't forget that ultrasonic baths have to be topped up only by special ultrasonic liquid. It is time to uninstall our injectors from the fuel ramp and install them to ultrasonic baths. Firstly, we disconnect electric cables. Secondly, we remove the fuel ramp. All the injectors have to be removed from the fuel ramp and put in the ultrasonic bath. Don't forget that we have to use our ultrasonic bath only with liquid, not empty, because liquid is not only cleaning our injectors, it's also cooling ultrasonic driver, and without liquid it will be overheated in seconds. So the level of the liquid should be until the plate, because nozzles of the injectors should be inside the liquid, but electric terminals should be outside. And we are connecting our wires. Again, top with arrow. Everything is ready to switch on ultrasonic cleaning mode on the main unit and at the ultrasonic bath. Everything is ready to switch on our ultrasonic bath mode. So we choose ultrasonic clean. It's mode number 1. Mode number 1. We press start here and our injectors start to work, but ultrasonic bath is not working. We have temperature that is set by user. We can decrease or increase. For example, 40 degrees. And we have time of ultrasonic working. So we start our ultrasonic bath. It is on and the process is started. So process of the cleaning is finished and we are ready to install our injectors in the testing unit and test them again. To test our injectors after cleaning, we will run 2 different tests. First, injection flow test. It's number 4. Number 4 is flashing. So we're starting test number 4 and see that the liquid is injecting. All our injectors is flowing our liquid. Test is ended automatically, and as you can see, level is the same. So our ultrasonic cleaning took action, and now injectors are clean. Don't forget to press drain button. After that, we can perform the last test, number 5. It has three modes: idle speed, average speed, and high speed. It is different RPM of engine. So now mode number 1 is on. We start our test. And our injectors is working on the idle speed, as you can see. Secondly, we can switch average speed, mode number 2. Mode number 2. We run. You see RPM start to go up from 1000, which is medium RPM. Secondly, high RPM, mode number 3. From 3000 and up. And you see everything is working flawlessly. So we can make a conclusion. Our injectors was dirty, but after cleaning, it started to be clean. So ultrasonic bath is working, and our testing unit helps us to understand, is cleaning took action or not? I hope this video helps you to understand how to operate this machine, how to clean injectors, and how to enjoy the professional equipment. Don't forget, our team is always ready to help you with any question. Have very best.